I had to run to the grocery store to pick up a few things for dinner. We just finished our game night, well, game day. We usually do it after we eat dinner, but lately we have been missing it because everybody has been tired or sleepy or ready to lay down. So we did it before, and now I'm going into the grocery store. Now I'm going into the grocery store to get some things for dinner. I'm making some cornbread, macaroni and cheese, meatloaf, and cabbage. As you see, everything is from scratch. Okay.